Can alternative therapies cure cancer? Now, as an experienced oncologist, I can tell you that there are no proven alternative therapies, be it in Ayurveda, Unani or homeopathy, which can cure cancer. Treatment of cancer has to be scientific. That is, everything which is today in practice has to be tried out in trials. There are patients who receive the treatment and patients who don't receive the treatment, and the end result is seen after a period of 5 years or 10 years to see if there is a survival difference between the two. The problem with alternative therapies is that they do not undergo the same rigorous evaluation like modern medicine does. And there are enough number of quacks or misleading practitioners who lead patients to believe that this can be cured. Unfortunately, most of us see that these treatments are useless and sometimes in fact harmful. So as far as possible, unless it is backed by scientific evidence, it is better to avoid such alternate therapies for the treatment of cancer. Thank you.